In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Waymo. We will go step by step so you can request your first self-driving ride without stress. First, open your device's App Store. On an iPhone, look for the blue App Store icon with the white letter A. On Android, find the Google Play Store icon, usually a multicolored triangle. Take a moment to confirm the store is fully open before you continue. You should see a search bar near the top of the screen. Once your store is open, search for Waymo. Tap into the search bar at the top and type the word Waymo carefully. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Usually Waymo pops up near the top of the list. Tap the Waymo results so you go to the correct app page, where you see the official Waymo logo and the install button. Now install the app. On an iPhone, tap Get, and on Android, tap Install. You may see a spinning circle or a progress bar showing the download. On some phones, you might be asked to confirm with your password or face or fingerprint before it starts. Wait until the button changes to Open. That tells you the app is fully installed and ready. With the app installed, open the Waymo app. You can tap Open right from the store page or find the new Waymo icon on your home screen. When the app launches for the first time, you will usually see a welcome screen with the Waymo logo and some short text introducing the service. Give it a second here. First launches can take a moment while things load in the background. Next up, create an account or sign in with your Google account. On this screen, you will see options to continue, often including a sign in with Google button, and sometimes an option to use email. If you choose your Google account, the app uses the name and email already stored on your phone, which saves time and avoids typing errors. A beginner detail here: if you have more than one Google account on your device, the app will list them, so be sure to pick the one you want ride receipts sent to. If you decide to create a fresh account instead, follow the prompts on screen. You will be asked for basic details such as your name and email address. Check that you type these carefully, since support messages and ride confirmations use this information. After you finish, the app will create your profile and move you forward automatically. There is usually no separate save button for this part. At this point, you have the Waymo app installed and your account ready, so you are set up for requesting self-driving rides in supported areas. If this helped you get your Waymo account ready, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple app walkthroughs like this.